When it comes to decluttering a home, tackling a renovation project, or simply clearing out years of accumulated junk, Austin residents know exactly who to call: Austin Junk Removal and Garbage Removal Pros. This trusted local company has built a reputation for providing reliable, affordable, and customer-first cleanout services. But what makes them the go-to choice in such a competitive city? Let's explore the key reasons why Austinites consistently turn to this team for their junk removal needs. Local expertise that understands Austin's needs. One of the biggest advantages of working with Austin Junk Removal and Garbage Removal Pros is their deep understanding of the city's neighborhoods, waste regulations, and community expectations. Whether you're in East Austin, South Congress, or the Hill Country suburbs, this team knows the terrain, traffic patterns, and disposal facilities that make a cleanout go smoothly. They also stay up to date with Austin's eco-friendly standards. The city is known for its environmental consciousness, and this company reflects that by practicing responsible waste disposal, recycling whenever possible, and minimizing landfill contributions. Prompt, professional, and punctual service. Austin residents are busy, juggling work, family, and a vibrant city lifestyle. That's why responsiveness is critical. Austin Junk Removal and Garbage Removal Pros are known for their fast response times, clear communication, and punctual arrival windows. Whether it's a same-day request or a scheduled weekend project, customers can trust that the team will show up on time and get the job done efficiently. Their trained crew is also uniformed, courteous, and respectful of your space, whether it's a residential driveway, an apartment stairwell, or a commercial office space. They don't just remove junk, they leave the area swept and tidy, ready for its next use. Versatile services for every clean-out situation. No two cleanouts are alike, and this company understands that better than anyone. They offer flexible solutions tailored to the project at hand, including residential junk removal, furniture, appliances, mattresses, yard waste, and household clutter. Commercial cleanouts, office furniture, warehouse debris, retail displays, and post-construction materials. Estate cleanouts, sensitive, thorough removal services during transitions, downsizing, or after the passing of a loved one. Garage and shed cleanouts, from rusty tools to forgotten boxes, they'll help reclaim your space. Renovation debris cleanup. Post-remodel cleanup is often messy. This team gets your space back in shape quickly. Austin homeowners and business owners appreciate that there's no need to rent a dumpster, sort through piles, or worry about municipal rules. The pros handle it all. Transparent pricing and no hidden fees is a standout feature that keeps clients coming back as the company's straightforward, honest pricing. Free estimates are provided up front, and the final invoice is never padded with surprise charges. Their rates are based on the volume and type of items being removed, so clients know exactly what they're paying for. Plus, with no obligation quotes, customers can make informed decisions without pressure. Eco-conscious and community-focused. Many Austinites care deeply about sustainability, and so does this company. Austin Junk Removal and Garbage Removal Pros go the extra mile to recycle, donate, and repurpose items whenever possible. Usable furniture or appliances may go to local shelters or donation centers, while recyclable materials are sorted and diverted from landfills. This approach not only protects the environment but supports the greater Austin community, giving items a second life and helping those in need. The bottom line: a clean space and peace of mind. At the heart of every service call is the same goal: to help Austin residents clear space, reduce stress, and move forward. Whether it's making room for a baby nursery, preparing a home for sale, or just finally tackling that cluttered garage, Austin Junk Removal and Garbage Removal pros make the process seamless. With their dependable crew, local roots, and customer-first approach, it's easy to see why so many in Austin trust them time and time again. When the clutter has to go, this is the team that gets it done right.